How to remove strike through in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page and I have some content here. So I will show you quickly how you can remove the strike through. So first I'm going to show you how you can do strike through. So just select the word or sentence which you want to apply, and here go to the format and go to the text. Under text you can see this option called strike through, and here you can see there is a shortcut key which is alt plus shift plus 5. You can use this. If I click on it, the strike through will be applied. Here you can see. And if you want to remove it, just select again this content, and here at the your toolbar you can see this option. You can click on it, then it will be removed, or you can simply go again this option format text and click on this strike through, it will be removed. Or you can simply use the shortcut key which is alt shift and 5, it will be removed. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.